Welcome to the best picks. The best knitting kits is probably one of the most rewarding crafts to learn, offering a blend of creativity and relaxation. For beginners, these kits are a fantastic starting point, bundling all the essentials into one convenient package. In this video, we'll explore some of the top knitting kits available, perfect for anyone looking to dive into the world of yarn and needles. Number 5. Creativity for Kids Learn to Knit Pocket Scarf. This kit is perfect for beginners. It makes learning to knit fun and simple with step-by-step instructions and colorful materials. It's a great way to start a new hobby. Knitting is a relaxing activity. The repetitive motions help you unwind and focus. It also helps improve fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The kit comes with everything you need to make a scarf. It includes yarn, needles, and all the accessories. You'll have a complete and colorful project to enjoy. Once you're done, you'll have a stylish scarf with a pocket. It's perfect for storing small items. It's a practical and fashionable accessory you can be proud of. Creativity for Kids has been inspiring creativity since 1976. This kit helps build confidence and encourages creative expression. It's recommended for ages 9 and up. What we like. This kit makes learning to knit fun and simple. It comes with everything you need, including colorful yarn and easy-to-follow instructions. If you are looking for a creative project for kids that results in a functional and fashionable scarf, this is a great choice. What people say. This rainbow pom-pom hat and cup cozy knitting loom kit is really cute and seemed like a great way to start my first ever round loom knitting projects, especially as I had never used an actual round knitting loom before. I found that the directions were very easy to follow and the loom, the tools and the yarn are all of excellent quality. I really enjoyed the whole process and was very excited as my initial project started taking shape. And I was cheered on and encouraged by my hubby and our 2 girls, who at this time are not at all interested in learning knitting but are very creative in drawing and painting type art, so they all were so happy when I very successfully completed both the rainbow pom-pom hat and cup cozy projects with no problems at all. This was lots of fun for me to use and I am really pleased with how they both came out, and they even look very much like the pictures on the box. They give you plenty of yarn to do both of these projects, and I still have enough left over to use to make another small size item. The hat size is exactly as it should be, and even though my hubby's noggin is a larger size than what this hat is made for, he was still able to fit it on to wear for a photo opportunity, lol. The cup cozy worked out perfect too, although the instructions are easy to follow. I did go to the manufacturer's web tutorial they have for these projects to watch a video on making the cup cozy just to double check that I was looming it correctly, which I was. The loom and the tools in this kit are all very well made and sturdy, and I will be using them all to make several more various knitted items in the future as well. So this kit is an excellent value which has so much more use after you finish the hat and cup cozy. Now I can't wait to buy some more yarn and create some more, smiley face. The instructions are super clear and beginner friendly, making it perfect for kids ages 8 and up. My daughter, who's 10, was able to start knitting almost immediately with minimal help. The rainbow yarn is vibrant and beautiful, and the scarf turns out so cute once it's all done. It's great that it comes with buttons, so it's not just a typical scarf, it becomes a stylish, buttoned-up accessory. The knitting process was simple and quick, and my child felt such a sense of accomplishment once the scarf was finished. I made 2 of these adult-sized beanies within a day, with plenty of yarn left over for other projects. I made one for my dad, and it was generous with length, and with a brim and pom-poms, that took extra yarn. I made the other for myself, without a brim and pom-poms. The #HatNotHate tag was a nice addition to this. In my opinion, they gave plenty of yarn. I was initially worried that I would run out of yarn as this is seemingly a craft kit designated for younger audiences, but I think it's for adults too. Smiley face. I knit 2 beanies, see above for styles, and with about 1 to a skein of yarn left. Not sure what to craft with the leftover yarn, but it's cool. Oh, and in case it benefits you, it comes with instructions that have step-by-step colored photos and all the supplies you need to create your beanies. Number 4. Thoughtful Stitch Beginner Knitting Kit. Discover the joy of knitting with this complete kit, perfect for beginners. Everything you need is included, so get ready to inspire your crafty side today. This learn-as-you-knit approach is tailored for beginners, fostering a love for knitting. It's a journey to explore the fascinating knitting world with kids too. Consider this kit for hobby enthusiasts or anyone seeking new interests. It's the premium gateway into hobbies, offering a lifelong skill while creating appealing dishcloths. Unleash your creativity with this yarn kit, including cotton wool balls, ergonomic bamboo needles, a yarn needle, a learn to knit guide, and engaging dishcloth patterns. The kit demystifies the learning process with 4 easy-to-grasp knitting styles. It's thoughtfully designed as an intuitive guide, fast-tracking proficiency from beginner to expert effortlessly. What we like. This kit uses a learn-as-you-knit approach, perfect for beginners. It's a complete package with everything you need to start your knitting journey. If you are looking for a new hobby or a thoughtful gift for someone who enjoys crafts, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The directions are super easy. I have the cutest little dishcloth now that I made. Bought this as a complete beginner. I wanted to make something easy as my first project, so this was perfect, not overwhelming, and ended up with a useful item. Number 3. MINDFULKNITS Knitting Starter Kit for Beginners. This kit from MINDFULKNITS is perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters. It's designed to provide a stress-free and enjoyable experience. Whether you're new to knitting or have some experience, this kit is a great addition to your collection. Inside, you'll find everything needed to start your next project. The kit includes 4 different colors of soft, 100% cotton yarn, circular knitting needles, and a yarn needle. It has everything you need to begin. Knitting is known for its calming and relaxing effects. It's a great way to unwind and focus your mind. It's like a form of meditation, allowing you to disconnect and find peace. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. You can create amigurumi, personalize accessories, knit washcloths, or even craft your own garments. Let your imagination run wild with what you can make. The kit comes in a premium reusable bag, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. It keeps all your essentials secure and safely stored. Take it with you and knit anywhere. What we like. This kit is designed to provide a stress-free knitting experience. It includes everything you need, from yarn to needles, and comes in a reusable bag. If you like the idea of a portable project that can be taken anywhere for relaxation and stress relief, you should consider this one. What people say. She appreciated the instructional videos they have on YouTube and that the projects are simple washcloth dish towel squares to start out with the basics and feel accomplished, rather than trying to tackle something larger like a scarf or shawl on the first go-round. The wooden knitting needles seem high quality and the yarn is soft and pretty. The yarn is very beautiful in color and softness. The yarn is the correct size for a beginner project such as a knitted dishcloth. The circular needle included is smooth and well-made and the correct size for the yarn weight. Number 2. CraftLab Knitting Kit for Beginners. This kit is perfect for beginners of all ages, from kids to seniors. It includes everything you need to start knitting, making it a fantastic DIY gift. It's designed to teach you the basics, step by step. This kit has been recognized for its quality and ease of use. It's designed for absolute beginners, so you don't need any prior experience. You can create a scarf, fingerless gloves, and even a cute bunny. Inside, you'll find quality yarn, knitting needles, a yarn needle, and a detailed instruction booklet. It also comes with bonus video tutorials to guide you through every step. This ensures you'll have a successful and enjoyable experience. The instruction booklet uses photos to guide you through every technique. From the slip knot to weaving in the ends, it covers everything. The video tutorials further enhance the learning process. To ensure your success, we offer follow-along video tutorials. This makes this kit one of the best beginner knitting kits available. These videos will help you master the craft. We stand behind our products and our customers. If you're not completely satisfied with the kit, we'll refund your purchase. It's a risk-free way to try something new. What we like. This kit is designed for absolute beginners, including all the necessary supplies. It also offers video tutorials to guide you through the process. If you are a complete beginner and want extra support, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Great kit. Easy to follow instructions, but it also comes with a link to videos you can watch for more help. Step-by-step guides for 3 very different types of projects. Perfect kit for someone starting to learn to knit. A good way to start from a senior person and rank beginner. Good instructions and good quality. The printed instructions are very good, but the video link is excellent and user-friendly. Number 1. Hapinest Knitting Loom Kit for Kids. This kit is designed for young beginners. It includes everything they need for a fun and creative activity. It's a great way to get started with knitting. This kit enhances fine motor skills and tactile sensory abilities. It combines education and creativity, making it perfect for kids who love to craft. Learning to knit is a breeze with the large round loom and sturdy crochet hook. The step-by-step instructions make it simple to create beanies or hats and infinity scarves. This set is perfect for beginners. Inspire the young crafter in your life with a gift that encourages creativity. It's ideal for birthdays or holidays, allowing them to make unique, handmade items. This crochet loom knitting kit includes everything needed for circle loom knitting. The comprehensive guide and included tools ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for kids and beginners. What we like. This kit uses a loom, making it easier for kids to learn. It is fun, educational, and engaging, perfect for young crafters. If you have a child who loves to craft and wants to make hats and scarves, this is an excellent choice. What people say. 3 hats were made and 1 infinity scarf. Easy to follow directions. She is enjoying and learning how to make new items. Instructions were easy and clear. Great for beginner tweens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.